Hello guys, today we are going to be checking out the 5 best mechanical keyboards you can buy right now. I made this list based on my personal opinion, hours of research, and I have listed them based on performance features and price. Number 5. HyperX Alloy Origins Core Full Aircraft Grade Aluminum Body. Ultra compact, portable design with detachable cable. Dazzling RGB lighting with dynamic effects. Advanced customization with HyperX Ingenuity software. Ensure that all your key presses register and that you're not accidentally taking yourself out of the game in key moments. Features a dynamic and customizable 360-degree RGB light ring, a Pixar 3389 sensor for a DPI setting as high 16,000 DPI, and crisp responsive Omeron switches. Dual chamber drivers, memory foam with leatherette ear pads, durable aluminum frame, detachable noise cancellation microphone, and the list goes on. The Cloud Alpha will keep you gaming for hours. Number 4. Redragon K556, N-key rollover, ergonomic, and durable design. This keyboard is made of full metal material, with matte finish texture, solid enough to protect it from scratch. It allows multi-keys to work simultaneously with high speed. The Redragon K556 features a custom-designed keycap that has been made shorter to reduce the time it takes for your actions to register. Include a keycaps puller for clean or other needs. RGB LED adjustable lighting with 6 themed backlights -18 lighting models. You can also adjust their brightness with FN+, and besides, there is a 9-color single backlit mode for this keyboard. Number 3. CORSAIR K70 100% Cherry MX mechanical key switches provide the reliability and accuracy you demand. 8 MB profile storage with hardware macro and lighting playback allow access to up to 3 stored profiles on the go independent of external software. USB pass-through port provides convenient access to an additional USB port for your mouse or headset. iCUE software enables vivid dynamic lighting control, sophisticated macro programming, and full system lighting synchronization across compatible CORSAIR peripherals, coolers, fans, and more. Matrix 104 keys. Number 2. Razer Ornata Chroma. High-performance mecha membrane switches provides the tactile feedback of mechanical key press on a comfortable soft cushion membrane rubber dome switch suitable for gaming. Ultimate personalization and gaming immersion with Razer Chroma fully syncs with popular games. Razer hardware, Philips Hue and gear from 30+ partners, supports 16.8 million colors on individually backlit keys. Ergonomic magnetic wrist rest made of soft touch leatherette to maximize comfort over extended gaming sessions with built-in magnets for convenient alignment. Number 1. SteelSeries Apex 5 Hybrid, aircraft-grade aluminum alloy frame, manufactured for unbreakable durability and sturdiness. Dynamic per-key RGB illumination, gorgeous color schemes and reactive effects for every key. Premium magnetic wrist rest, provides full palm support and comfort. Hybrid mechanical gaming switches, the tactile click of a blue mechanical switch plus a smooth membrane. OLED smart display, customized with GIFs, game info, Discord messages, and more. A clickable metal roller and media keys allow you to adjust volume and settings on the fly, rewind, skip, pause, and more, all at the touch of a button. Thanks for watching the video. If you do have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment. Make sure you like and subscribe, and press the bell button to this channel to get more awesome video every day. You can share it if you think it's helpful for your friends.